Do you want to create Pinterest pins automatically with the help of an AI agent? Then setup that you can see on the screen is in front of you that will do that. Let me show you how. I will add in the new idea in my Google Sheets right here, and you will see according to that the Pinterest pin is going to be generated. So the idea is, try this delicious smoothie bowl topped with fruit, seeds and nuts. It's refreshing, nutrition-rich meal that's perfect for breakfast or post-workout boost. Okay, so this is the description of the pin that I want to create, and automatically in front of you, you will see the status of this specific pin is going to be updated as created. And as soon as the status will be updated, you can see as created. I'll go back to my Pinterest account and refresh this board from here, and you will see a new pin is going to be created in front of you. If I'll open the pin, it's the same smoothie bowl that I was talking about, and in the description you will find the same thing that I've added in my Google Sheets. This image is generated by this AI agent and posted as a Pinterest pin. So this is how this amazing setup is going to work. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the creation of this setup. Now, I am creating this setup using Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and the landing page of Pabbly Connect will appear in front of you. If you're a new user, simply sign up for free from here. You are logging in for the first time, so you will get 100 free tasks. Using the task, you can create the setup right away absolutely for free without paying any cost. Check it out from your end, how the automation is created and how it works in real time. Check out the features of Pabbly Connect, and then if you're planning to purchase a yearly or lifetime deal, that you should, because we provide you unlimited tasks using which you can create 1,000+ automations and you can automate your workflows. You can purchase a yearly or lifetime plan, and I have a gift for you. The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will get you instant discount on the purchase of yearly or lifetime plans. ANGYT is the code. Go ahead and use it. I'm already a user, so I've signed in and came to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create workflow option and select the option of create using AI. Now using this workflow builder, you can create the entire workflow template just by giving a simple prompt in this section. So over here for the prompt, I will write it as, so this is my prompt. I want to generate Pinterest pins using Gemini AI automatically by adding the content ideas or product details in Google Sheets. Google AI Studio Gemini creates eye-catching pin images, and the system publishes them directly on Pinterest and updates Google Sheets cell value. So this is what I want to do. So I will send this request to this AI flow builder. It will analyze my request and ask me to select certain events. In Google Sheets, as soon as a new data will be entered, automatically Google AI Studio should generate the image using Nano Banana, create the pin on my Pinterest account and update the cell value in my Google Sheets. I've selected the details. I will approve and create this workflow from here. As soon as I will do that, the workflow is going to be created in front of you. Now just we need to create the connections. Let's start with our trigger setup. Over here you will find Pabbly Connect has provided us with the webhook URL and some steps that we need to follow. Copy the URL and open the Google Sheets that you want to connect. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons option. You will come to this window right here. On the window, on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application inside Google Sheets. After installing this application, go back and refresh the spreadsheet from here. After refreshing the spreadsheet, go back to extensions. You will see the option of Pabbly Connect webhooks, from which select this initial setup option. You will come to this dialog box in front of you, which is asking for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL field, I will paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us, and for the trigger column, it says trigger column will be your final data column on which the data is added. The whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. I want, as soon as I add the description in the Google Sheets, the data should be forwarded towards the URL, which is column A. So my trigger column is going to be column A right here. I'm going to click on this submit button. As soon as I will do that, it says setup configured successfully. Go back, one last step is left, that is go back to extensions and Pabbly Connect webhooks and select the option of send on event. As soon as you will do that, now what is going to happen, Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. In the trigger, if you will see, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Google Sheets is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I will do is I will enter another idea right here and check whether my trigger captures the response of another idea or not. Okay, so let me add in another idea that I want to create as a Pinterest pin. So I've entered this idea. This refreshing fruit bowl is naturally sweet, hydrating and full of vitamins, a perfect snack or light meal for hot days and healthy living. So I've entered this description. Now let me go back to my workflow and you will find within few seconds the response for the same description is going to be captured in the trigger. So I will wait over here, and yes, you will see right over here, this is the response that is captured. The refreshing fruit bowl, this is the exact description that I've added in my Google Sheets, has now been captured in the trigger. Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now using this description, let's generate the image using Google Gemini. Now over here, I'm going to click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, you need to provide the API key. For the API key, you have to directly go towards this hyperlink. You will come to the playground page of your Gemini account, where you have to go towards this get API key section and generate the key from here. So I've already generated a key, so I'm going to copy it and paste it right over here and click on the save button to build the connection. After the connection has been created, for the model, I will select over here as what? Nano Banana, as I want to generate the image. So I'll select Nano Banana Pro. For the method, I'll select generate content. Now next it is asking for the prompt. So usually in Gemini, you enter a text, and according to the text, Gemini is going to generate you the image, right? You have to enter that text in this prompt right here, where you explain what you actually require. So for the prompt over here, I will write it as, so this is my prompt, create a high quality realistic food image of, so now I have to enter the name, the idea right over here. So now for the idea, I will map the data. Where you want to map the data, add a slash and search for what you want to map. So this is the data that I want to map in this field, that is the description, because for this dish I want to generate the image. So I'll select the data from the previous response. As now the data has been selected from the previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. And as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in the previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. The dish should look fresh, appealing and healthy. Use natural lighting, top down or 45-degree angle with a clean aesthetic background, wooden table or minimal kitchen settings. Add fresh ingredients around the dish for a premium look. Make it suitable for Pinterest vibrant color and visually appealing. I do not require any other fields, so I will skip the part, and simply then I'm going to click on this save and send test request button after this. And you can see the response has been received. I have received the file URL, that is the image that Gemini has generated for me. So yes, you can see how beautiful image Gemini has generated for me, the beautiful fruit bowl. So as now this image has been generated using the image and the description that has been captured in Google Sheets, let's create the pin on our Pinterest account. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Pinterest. Log into your Pinterest account on a new tab before creating this connection right here. Give the access, as this is a safe process and the data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. We have to select the board. So I've created a board in the name of, in my Pinterest account, Fit Bites and Recipes. So I have taken the example of recipes. In the case, you can generate pins according to your requirement of whatever you want. Okay, so board I've selected Fit Bites and Recipes. Okay, there is no section ID, so I'll skip the part. For the URL, I will map the data of this image that is generated by Gemini. Title, I will not enter any title, and for the description, I will map the data of this description right here. I do not require any other fields, so I'll skip the part and simply click on the save and send test request button, where I've received this response, which is a positive response. And if I'll refresh this board from here, you will see automatically a new pin is going to be generated. You can see the same fruit bowl, okay, and this is the same description. So as now this image has been uploaded successfully, this means Pinterest is also been connected to Pabbly Connect. Now what I want is, as soon as the Pinterest pin will be generated, so that I should know on Google Sheets whether the pin is generated or not, I want to update the status over here as created. So I'm going to update that from this amazing action step. Click on this connect button. I will teach you how you can add a new connection. For that, click on the sign in with Google button. Select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet and give the access to this account because this is a safe process and your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I'll select it as Pinterest pin data and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select the respective details. To enter the range, you have to enter the column name and the row index. In which column do I want to update the data? Column B. So I will enter column B manually, and then you have to enter the row index, for which map the data of the row index that is captured in Google Sheet step. For the value, I want created should be added over here. So I'm going to enter value created and click on the save and send test request button, where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and in my Google Sheets you can see the status has been updated as created. So as now the status has been updated successfully, the entire setup is now created. Now whenever you will enter the idea in Google Sheets using the idea, automatically a Pinterest pin is going to be created on your Pinterest account. Okay, so this is how this amazing setup of this AI agent works in real time, and this is how you create the setup step by step. Now if you want the free template of this AI agent, you can comment on below. I will share it with you, or you can find the workflow link in the description section with the coupon code ANGOIT is the code. Use that to get instant discounts on the purchase of yearly or lifetime plans of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions or doubts related to the setup, comment on below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.